Today I will be doing some problem from the textbook. Right, so in trigonometry, the most important thing to solve problem is we have to know first the formula. So here are some of the formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. And sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. From here, if I carry this sin square theta to this side, we will get cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay? If I carry this cos square theta to the other side, we will get sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay? Now, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Again, if I carry this one to the other side, we will get tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Alright, again, if I transfer this tan square theta to the other side, I will get 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay? The third one, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Again, I carry this one to the other side. Cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Again, carry this cot square theta to the other side. We will get 1 is equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Okay, now you see from here, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Alright, we know that a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So here a is sec theta, b is tan theta. So you can write sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta, which is equal to 1. Now we carry this sec theta minus tan theta to this side. We will get sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta, which is this one. Okay? Next one is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Okay, again applying the same formula, a square minus b square. Cosec theta minus cot theta into cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. Then carry this cosec theta minus cot theta to the other side. We will get cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta minus cot theta. Okay? Okay, let us do some problem. The question says that we have to prove that 1 minus sin square theta into sec square theta is equal to 1. Alright, let us write left hand side is equal to 1 minus sin square theta into sec square theta. Okay? Now, 1 minus sin square theta, from here, 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Alright, so you write here cos square theta into sec square theta. In the next step, we know that sec square theta is equal to 1 by cos square theta. Alright, so you put here 1 by cos square theta. Then cancel cos square theta, we will get 1, which is equal to right hand side. Hence we have. Alright, so the next question is prove that 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta whole thing square. Alright, we have to prove that this left hand side should be equal to right hand side. Okay, let's take left hand side is equal to 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta. Alright, you see here that 1 minus sine theta and 1 plus sine theta, there is no formula to solve this one. Alright, the formula is just for 1 minus sine square theta, which is equal to cos square theta. But here is just 1 minus sine theta. There is no square, so we cannot apply this formula. Okay, now in the next step, you write 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta. You multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugate of this one. What is the conjugate of 1 minus sine theta? The conjugate of 1 minus sine theta is 1. The conjugate of 1 plus sine theta is 1 minus sine theta. Alright, you have to multiply both numerator and in the denominator. Okay, so in the numerator, 1 minus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta is 1 minus sine theta whole thing square. Okay, in the denominator, 1 minus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta is 1 square minus sine square theta. Here we are using that a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Okay, now 1 minus sine theta whole thing square, we know that the formula of a minus b whole thing square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here we will be using this one. Okay, so 1 square minus 2 into 1 into sine theta plus sine square theta. Okay, alright. In the denominator, 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, which is equal to 1 minus 2 sine theta plus sine square theta. We know that 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. So you put here cos square theta. In the next step, you write this one, 1 by cos square theta minus 2 sine theta by cos square theta, right, plus sine square theta by cos square theta. Okay, now you see here, let's take an example to make you more clear. Let's take example. If I take 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is how much? 2, 1 plus 3. Alright, here is the same thing. We can write this one into this one. Just see this example. Okay? Okay, we know that 1 by cos square theta is sec square theta minus 2 sine theta cos square theta. We will write cos theta into cos theta. Then plus sine square theta by cos square theta is tan square theta. Okay? Now sec square theta minus, we know that sine theta by cos theta is tan theta, and 1 by cos theta is sec theta. Okay? Plus tan square theta. If you look at this one, sec square theta minus 2 tan theta plus tan square theta is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Alright, so you write sec theta minus tan theta whole thing square, which is equal to right hand side. Hence we have proved this one. Okay, let us do another question. The question is eliminate theta for the equation x is equal to a sec theta and y is equal to b tan theta. We have to eliminate theta from here and here. Okay, so let us write given x x is equal to a sec theta. Alright, and y is equal to b tan theta. Okay, then it's dividing by a both sides. X by a is equal to a sec theta by a. Okay, and dividing y by b on both sides, we will get y by b is equal to b tan theta by b. Right, now a cancel, b cancel. So we get x by a is equal to sec theta and y by b is equal to tan theta. Okay, now let us square this one. Square it. Squaring both sides. We get, if we square x by a whole thing square, the left hand side sec theta whole thing square, y by b whole thing square is equal to tan theta whole thing square. Alright, now x by a whole thing square, we square this one, we'll get x square by a square is equal to sec square theta, and squaring this one you will get y square by b square, which is equal to tan square theta. After that, you see this formula, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay, and you see here, here is sec square theta and here is tan square theta. So if you subtract sec square theta minus tan square theta, we will get 1. So we have eliminated theta. Okay, so what will you do? Using this formula, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Here we will get that x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Here you see that we have eliminated theta, so this is the answer. The question is, prove that 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta whole thing square. We have to prove that this left hand side should be equal to right hand side. Okay, we have to, let us write that left hand side is equal to 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Okay, so you see from here that there is no formula for 1 minus sin theta and for 1 plus sin theta. Okay, so what will you do? You see here that there are two terms here. Alright, so we have to make it easy to solve this one. Let us check. We know that 1 plus a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Alright, so if a plus b, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, suppose if I multiply this one both numerator and denominator, then I will get 1 square minus sin square theta. Okay, we know that 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Okay, we are getting only one term, right? So it's make easy for us to solve this one. So let us multiply both numerator and denominator here by 1 minus sin theta. Alright. Then in the numerator, 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta is 1 minus sin theta whole thing square. And in the denominator is 1 square minus sin square theta. Alright, so let us use this one by that formula a minus b whole thing square. A minus b whole thing square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Right, so 1 minus sin theta whole thing square, it will be 1 square minus 2 into 1 into sin theta plus sin square theta. Alright, now 1 in the denominator we have 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, in the numerator we get 1 minus 2 sin plus sine square theta. In the denominator, 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. Okay. The next step, we write 1 by cos square theta minus 2 sine theta by cos square theta plus sine square theta. Cos square theta. You see, this one we can also write in this form. Let's take an example. If I write half plus 3 by 2, what will we get? If we take LCM, we will get 2. Here we will get 1 plus 3. This one, if you want to understand this one, you can check by this example also, you will understand. Okay, here the denominator is the same. Okay, we can split it 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Okay, now 1 by cos square theta is sec square theta, alright, minus 2 sine theta, cos square theta, let us write cos theta into cos theta, plus sine square theta by cos square theta is tan square theta. Okay, now sec square theta minus sine theta by cos theta we know is tan theta, and 1 by cos theta is sec theta plus tan square theta. Alright, if you look at this sec square theta minus 2 tan theta sec theta plus tan square theta is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So you write, which is equal to a minus b whole thing square sec theta minus tan theta whole thing square, which is equal to right hand side. Hence we have proved this one. So this is the end of this chapter. I hope that you have benefited from this lecture. So thank you so much.